Okay, so today we're going to be working with this data set. Okay, so today we're going to be working on a dashboard with this fake data set that I created with ChatGPT. Okay, it lists all the seizures, okay, on drugs in Peru, okay, from the year 2018 all the way through 2025. Okay, location of seizure, what it was, and the destination, the type of drug, the quantity, the item of measure, what was the sex of the interviewed person, ages, action taken, transforming ANC, incident severity, and so on. Okay, first of all, let's do Control T, click OK, then go to table design, and then let's do seize drug. Okay, enter. Good. Okay, let's double check. It did. Okay, let's hide this data set as well, because that's something that is going to be part of the new data that we are going to incorporate into the data set. Okay, let's do here calculation. Okay, and as I said before, we're going to be applying Excel array function big time to Mida Tracy and Carlos Barbosa as well for certain tricks on these functions and their YouTube channel as well. Let's do group by, click tab, control page app. And the first one that we're going to be doing is Control Shift arrow down, comma. Then let's go to the quantity, Control Shift arrow down, comma. Let's do sum, comma. Uh, just show the headers, comma. No grand totals, comma. Sorry, comma. Sort order -2. There we go. Control Shift arrow down, Control Shift 1. Okay, let's let's, let's reduce the number of decimals. Okay, now let's do equal sign group by Control Shift Control page up, and then let's do destination Control Shift arrow down, comma. Then let's do into the quantity column Control Shift arrow down. Let's do some. Let's do yes and show when it comes to the headers. Uh, no totals, and let's sort by -2. Okay, Control Shift arrow down, Control Shift 1. Let's reduce the number of decimals.